how to install Roblox on Steam Deck. So to be able to install Roblox on Steam Deck with Vidroid, go ahead and enter the desktop mode. So in game mode, press the Steam button and select the power menu, and then select switch to desktop mode. And then from here, go ahead and install Vidroid. So once desktop mode is loaded up, click on the Steam Deck logo on the bottom left of the screen, and then look through the menu for console or type in into the search bar and open up the console terminal. The first thing we'll do is set up a sudo admin password. If you've already done this before, you can go skip this part, type this command into the terminal, pass wd, and this will prompt you to set a sudo password. Memorize this, write it down, and keep it safe. If you forgot it, the recovery process is tedious. With your sudo password set, it's time to install Widroid. So type the following commands into the terminal to start installing Widroid. Enter cd git clone and then enter this link, and then cd steam slash cd steamos Widroid installer, and then enter this last command. After you input the last line, the installation should begin. Eventually, you'll be asked to type in your sudo password. Type that in now. It won't look like it's receiving your keystrokes, but it is, and let the download complete. And at some point, the installer will ask you what version of Android you want to install. Make sure you pick GAPPS. This installs Google Play Store along with Android, which will need to download Roblox. Now launch Android, so hop back into the game mode and open up your library, and you'll find the Android app under the non-Steam apps tab. Select it and launch it like you would any game. And then go ahead and look for the Google Play Store in here, and then sign in with your Google account, and then go ahead and install Roblox and then run it. And Android Roblox is set to use touchscreen by default, which makes for a pretty bad gaming experience on Steam Deck. Thankfully, the Steam input settings give us minute control over every action. So to save time, we're going to use some of the excellent layouts that community members have already created. So you just need to follow this and you're good to go. And that is how you can basically install Roblox on Steam Deck.